Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to another brand new video and welcome back to my channel RC Infinite Fashion. How are you all? I hope all of you will be fine and enjoying a happy, blessed, colorful life with your loved ones. My dear beauties, in today's video, we are going to explore how to make your signature style or unique style with latex mini bodycon dresses. So grab your cup of tea or coffee, sit at a comfortable place, and watch this video till end to get all these beautiful and amazing latex mini bodycon styling ideas. Dear cuties, always choose a vibrant color of latex mini bodycon. That will make you more charming and undeniable in your gatherings and in your circle. Then wear a statement belt with your latex mini bodycon outfit and pair it with high heel sandals or high heel boots for a sophisticated and elegant style. Wear a minimal but statement jewelry matching to your latex bodycon outfit. If you like leather and latex gloves, then you can add them for a chic and polished look. Now, last but not the least thing you need is confidence, as confidence is key to style. Dear cuties, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share with your loved ones. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for all my upcoming videos notification. Enjoy the video. Take care. Stay safe.